That's a tropical sound when you see 100-foot gum trees blowing in a southwesterly, warm autumn wind. It is the end of October, and we're just a couple of days away from November. And it is just absolutely gorgeous out. We picked up 37 millimeters of rain overnight. Wake up in the morning to pretty much clear skies. It's still very early morning here, so the sun hasn't even really totally come up yet. But isn't that a nice sound? Listen. Eucalyptus trees are amazing, and they smell so good. You can actually smell it in the air around our house. Our home is surrounded by eucalyptus trees. These ones I seed grew moons ago. They are big trees. Anyway, folks, if you live in a similar growing zone, plant some eucalyptus. They're awesome. Just don't plant them too close to your palm trees because they do suck the life out of everything. All right. Thanks for watching. And listen to those leaves. Some of them are blooming right now too. Hear the frogs.